Welcome back to day 3 of PyWeek. Yesterday I was able to lay down most of the core mechanics for my game, and the goal today was to allow enemies to shoot and provide purchasable upgrades along with the currency system. First up was giving the enemies a way to actually be an enemy. I used the player's bullet and bullet manager classes to work as a model, and I only needed to make minor changes to make it work. Right now, they just one-hit kill you, but that'll change soon. Next, I made a health bar along with some natural regeneration over time. I made the player pretty weak because I want them to be more dependent on upgrades as it gets harder. I wanted bullets to do less damage the farther they traveled and to have a maximum range. I had to do a lot of troubleshooting, and I wish I just implemented this when making the bullets in the first place. I decided I didn't like the natural regen as it was too fast, but I felt like if I slowed it down, it might make the game a little too hard. The solution I came up with was the first upgrade you could purchase. I created a button that when pressed regenerates the player's health. It was quite annoying to get the button to look the way I wanted it to. Next, I implemented a point system. Every kill in Wave Advance would give the players points he could spend on upgrades and health packs. I mentioned earlier that the health was set to a low amount, and the reason was I wanted armor in the game. I went ahead and added an armor bar. You start with no armor and could buy 3 tiers. I also added all the logic in place and modified the bullets. All that was left to do was add in a way to buy the armor. I mostly copied the health pack button and just changed the interaction logic, but it now allows you to buy increasingly good armor at increasing prices. The name in the armor takes inspiration from the game Door Kickers. Now that the player could have armor, it was time to give the enemies armor. I decided it would be easiest to give the enemies both armor and different weapons at the same time. Both armor and weapons are randomly given out, with the better ones being rarer. The armor gets damaged over time, so I added a way to repair it. I just copied the health back and tweaked it slightly so that it would affect the armor bar instead. To finish out the day, I changed the player's bullet logic and added a weapon upgrade. The higher level rounds do more damage to counteract the better body armor. Today was very productive, and I'm excited for tomorrow. We started the day with this, and ended the day with this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.